In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create clickable audio in presentation in Canva. We'll turn a regular audio file into a clickable element you can use during a live presentation, so your audience hears exactly what you want, right when you want it. Start by opening your existing presentation design in Canva. Once you are in, create a new slide where you want the audio to live. This keeps things organized and makes it easy to control when the audio appears. Now, head to your Uploads panel and locate the audio file you've already uploaded. Drag that audio onto the slide. At this point, you are simply placing the sound on a specific slide so Canva can package it up for the next step. Next, go to Share, then find the File Type option and choose MP4. Select only the slide you just prepared. Download that MP4. What this does is convert your slide and its audio into a short video clip, which is what makes the audio clickable later. After it finishes processing, upload the MP4 back into Canva using the Uploads panel. Now, attach the uploaded file to your presentation by dragging it onto the same slide. You'll notice it appears with a familiar play button look. Adjust the size so it's noticeable but not distracting. To make it even clearer for your viewers, add a simple graphic or icon, like a play button, onto the slide. Place the uploaded file directly over that graphic, so the play symbol lines up and visually signals that this is the spot to click. This stacking trick helps the audience know exactly where to press during your presentation. Click the audio or video element to fine-tune it. Here, you can adjust the volume so it blends well with your speaking voice and use trim to shorten the clip if needed. Keep the start and end points clean to avoid awkward silence or cutoffs. If you plan to speak over the audio, consider lowering the volume slightly so your narration stays clear. When everything looks and sounds right, click Share and choose Present. In presentation mode, that element is now interactive and clickable. Your audience will see the play button, and when you click it, the audio plays right from the slide. It's a simple way to control timing without juggling separate media players or leaving Canva. That's it. Thanks for watching.